Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into noise control in factories with some real-world examples. Noise control is crucial for maintaining a safe and productive work environment. Let's break it down using the hierarchy of controls: elimination, substitution, engineering controls, administrative controls, and personal protective equipment, or PPE. Each of these methods plays a vital role in reducing noise levels and protecting workers' hearing. First up, elimination. This is the most effective method. By completely removing the noise source, you can ensure a quieter and safer workplace. Imagine you're in a factory where a particular machine generates unbearable noise. The constant exposure can lead to hearing loss and other health issues. Instead of just dealing with it, you could redesign the workflow to remove the noisy machine altogether. This might involve rethinking the entire production process, but the long-term benefits are worth it. For example, in a paper mill, they replaced an old, noisy cutting machine with a quieter, more efficient one. This not only reduced noise, but also improved productivity. No more noise, job done. The workers are happier, and the overall work environment is much more pleasant. Next, substitution. If you can't eliminate the noise source, you could substitute it with something less noisy. This is a practical approach when elimination isn't feasible. Think of a metal stamping plant. The noise from the stamping process can be overwhelming. They swapped out their old pneumatic hammers with hydraulic presses. Hydraulic presses are much quieter and more efficient. This change drastically reduced the noise levels and improved the working environment. Workers can now communicate more easily and work more comfortably. Now, let's talk engineering controls. These are physical changes in the workplace to reduce noise. Engineering controls can be highly effective when implemented correctly. Picture a car manufacturing plant. The assembly line can be a significant source of noise. They installed sound barriers and acoustic panels around noisy machinery. These barriers absorb and block sound, preventing it from spreading throughout the factory. This significantly cut down on the noise that reached the workers. The result is a quieter, more focused work environment. Another example is using vibration dampeners on equipment to minimize the sound produced. Simple yet effective. Vibration dampeners can be applied to various types of machinery to reduce noise at the source. Moving on to administrative controls. These are changes in the way work is organized to control exposure to noise. Administrative controls can be a cost-effective way to manage noise levels. For instance, in a textile factory, they implemented rotating shifts so that no worker is exposed to high noise levels for extended periods. This helps prevent long-term hearing damage. Another common practice is scheduling noisy tasks during times when fewer workers are present, reducing the overall exposure. This can be particularly effective in factories with variable work schedules. Finally, we have PPE. When all other methods aren't enough, personal protective equipment becomes essential. PPE is the last line of defense against noise exposure. In a steel processing plant, workers use earplugs and earmuffs to protect their hearing. These devices can significantly reduce the amount of noise that reaches the ears. It's crucial to use the right type of PPE and ensure it's worn correctly to be effective. Proper training on the use of PPE is essential for it to provide adequate protection. So there you have it. From eliminating noise sources to using PPE, there are multiple strategies to control noise in industrial settings. Each method has its place and can be used in combination for the best results. Remember, reducing noise not only protects hearing, but also improves overall job satisfaction and productivity. A quieter workplace is a more efficient and pleasant place to work. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep your workplace quiet. See you next time.